An Arizona man was just indicted in the first case of its kind in the state involving AI-generated child sexual abuse material. And this case is important for parents to understand. According to the prosecutors, the individual allegedly uses AI to swap out the face of a real child onto sexually explicit images. Now, under Arizona's new law, those AI-generated images are now treated the same as real child sexual abuse material. And this is a major shift. For a long time, there were questions around if AI created the image, is it illegal? Well, Arizona has now made its position very clear. And I don't think this will be the last case we see. As AI tools become more accessible, easier to use, and more realistic, law enforcement and lawmakers across the country are trying to figure out how to address the misuse of these technologies, especially when it involves children. So what does this mean for parents? First, we need to recognize that photos shared online can be manipulated in ways that were much harder just a few years ago. Now, that does not mean parents shouldn't panic or, start to panic and stop taking photos of their children. But what it does mean is that we need to become more thoughtful about what we share publicly, who can access these photos, and how often we're posting identifiable information and images of our children online. This is also really important time. It's a great time to talk to teens and kids about AI tools. A lot of young people are experimenting with AI apps without fully understanding what's appropriate, what's illegal, and the real world consequences of creating or sharing manipulated content involving minors. And another important takeaway, just because something can be created with AI does not mean it's harmless, legal, or victimless. This technology is evolving fast, and honestly, I think we're only at the beginning of these conversations. If you're a parent like me, this is a good reminder to stay engaged, stay curious, and keep the conversation open with your kids about technology and digital behavior. Till next time, stay cyber safe.